Are you tired of Gmail's snooze presets never matching your schedule? Learn how to set a custom snooze time in under 30 seconds. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to pick any date and time for snoozing an email. Just follow these simple steps. First, navigate to your Gmail homepage and locate the email you'd like to snooze. Then, hover your mouse over that email and click the snooze icon. It looks like a little clock. Gmail will show you several preset snooze options, like later today or tomorrow morning. If none of those fit, go ahead and click Pick Date and Time. Now choose your preferred date from the calendar and select the exact time you want the email to return. Once you're happy with your selection, click Save to confirm. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.